Before we dive in, please comment below with your favorite Wing Chun technique or what you'd like to learn next. And don't forget to Wing Chun punch that subscribe button to join our community and get notified about new videos. Now let's get started with the little-known secrets to mastering Wing Chun trapping. 1. The sticky concept. Emphasize the importance of maintaining a sticky connection with your opponent, allowing you to sense and control their movements. 2. Economy of motion. Highlight the need for efficient, minimalist movements to maximize trapping effectiveness. 3. Centerline control. Stress the importance of controlling the centerline to dominate the opponent's positioning and movement. 4. Trapping as a defense. Reveal how trapping can be used as a defensive technique to neutralize attacks and create counterattacking opportunities. 5. The power of lapsao. Share the secrets of lapsao, grabbing and controlling the opponent's arm, a fundamental trapping technique. 6. Using opponent's energy. Show how to use the opponent's energy and momentum against them, making trapping more efficient. 7. Trapping in close range. Emphasize the effectiveness of trapping in close-range combat, where opponents are most vulnerable. 8. Combining trapping with footwork. Demonstrate how combining trapping with precise footwork can create devastating attacking opportunities. 9. Adapting to different opponents. Offer tips on adapting trapping techniques to suit different opponents' styles and body types. 10. Drilling and conditioning. Stress the importance of regular drilling and conditioning to develop the necessary skills and physicality for effective trapping. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. God bless you and Jesus loves you.